Soft rich chocolate sponge cake. Sift cake flour and cocoa powder and mix well. Put the chocolate in the pot and break it into small pieces. Add unsalted butter, instant coffee and milk. Turn on the heat to dissolve everything in the pot. When the temperature of the chocolate milk is about 70 degrees, pour it into the cake flour. Add the egg yolk and 3 additions and mix well. Put 9 egg whites in a clean bowl without oil and water, add a little lemon juice and beat with a mixer until big bubbles appear, then add sugar in 3 times and beat until it lifts up and appears sharp and curved. Take some egg whites into the chocolate batter and mix well, then pour the batter into the egg whites and mix well gently. Pour the batter on high into a container lined with baking paper and shake gently to level the surface. Lift and shake lightly several times to remove air bubbles on the surface. Put the cake container into a larger container and add hot water to the outer container, about 2 centimeters high. Bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 70 minutes.